Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your liked videos on YouTube. To see your liked videos on YouTube, kindly click on the YouTube application on your mobile phone. When the application loads, click on the U icon at the bottom right corner. Allow it to load. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Find your data in YouTube. Click on the tab. Allow it to also load. Then you scroll down until you find your YouTube search history. Click on manage your YouTube search history. Allow it to also load for you. After it has loaded, it's going to show you this window. Click on interactions. Then you will see video interactions. Under that, you can find video likes and dislikes, comment likes and dislikes. Now we are going to click on video likes and dislikes. Now these are all your likes. You can see these are my likes for today, for June 1st, May 31st, and these are all my video likes. To remove a like, a single video like, kindly click on the like on the video, click on the X icon, and it's going to remove it for you. To remove for the whole month, click on the X icon on the month tab, and it will also remove it for the whole month. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educative and exciting videos like this. Thank you.